Hi, this is Gil Still, completing my first C2C video for APS 933 Foundations of Research class. So the first C2C video is about research strategies. So looking at the peer-reviewed articles and figuring out a way how to organize it that best meets my needs and will help me as far as my organization and planning for the future of this semester of class and also help me with the next semester. So basically within my drive, I've created a folder that's titled Capstone Articles. Um, so within this, I have another folder called ODR, so Office Discipline Referrals. So with my experience being an administrator, that's something I want to look into, the validity of ODRs and the impact of them and how they can be utilized. So within that folder of the ODRs, I've created 4 folders so far. So just looking into the future of what the assignment is to be, having 2 articles that are pro for what you're looking for and 2 articles that are the opposing of it. So within the pros of ODRs, currently I have 3 different articles that I have within here. Within these articles, I've already been reading through them, kind of skimming through them and highlighting important factors that I think would be great to utilize and putting those notes. That way I would be able to begin my research. In the articles of cons of ODRs, currently I have 2 PDFs. So within these 2 PDFs, doing that exact same thing, reviewing them, skimming them, highlighting them, finding important factors that match. A third folder that I have is the neutral. So within this neutral, there are 2 articles. These 2 articles share both sides of it, having the pros and cons of having office discipline referrals and why they can be helpful, but also why they could not be helpful. One last folder that I have is a citations folder. So within that citations folder, it has a list of references already. So I am already going to putting them in there, making sure that they're in the correct format. That way I have them ready to go and can utilize them as I need to as the class goes on and as we use them for research. So in closing, I have a capstone folder, and then I have my ODRs, which is my research topic that I'm going to be trying to look at. I have the pros of them, the cons, articles that are neutral, and then also a citations folder. So those are just some ways that I am organizing them to be able to help best meet my needs for the ongoing progress of this class.